Today I'm going to show you the simplest way to make money online. Guys, you can literally spend a day and create content for the whole year. Guys, I am going to show you everything, and you can make $10,000 a month if you just commit just one day, guys, and do the work. Or if you do not want to commit one day, you can literally spend just 1 hour a week and create the content that you need for the month. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In this channel, we make money online. We trade stocks, we trade forex, we create digital content, and most importantly, we just want to make money online. So if you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the family. Remember, you too can make money online. Guys, when you look at these sites, you will see that on the social media TikTok account, this person, all they're doing, they're just posting codes, and I am going to show you ways to create even 100 codes in less than 10 minutes, or even 100 reels in less than 10 minutes, and I am going to show you that step by step. So when you go to the next one, you would see that this person has this TikTok account, Emotional IQ. All they're doing, they're just showing content to do with emotional intelligence. And guys, all of that you can get from ChatGPT. Guys, in this day and age, we do not need to think. We have ChatGPT to think for us and give us smart information. And then when you go to the site, you will see as well that it is a YouTube channel to do with codes. And all they are doing, they're just creating codes, guys. And you can go to ChatGPT as well. ChatGPT will generate codes for you that you can create and upload into your TikTok account, into your Instagram account, into your YouTube channel, and sometimes you can even get a video playing. And I am also going to show you how to create a video that is playing with these codes, guys. So now, without wasting time, let's just go to my laptop, and then I will show you everything that you need in order to make money for you. This one, guys, even if you are working, all you need is just one day in a year, and you can create all this content, or 1 hour a week. You can create content for a month, or even just few minutes, 10 minutes a day. You can create content that is uploaded and scheduled for a long time. So yeah, let's just go to my laptop before I start blabbling. So the first thing, obviously, that you need is ChatGPT, because there is no way we're going to write 100 codes. So you go to ChatGPT and start typing, create a list of 25 inspirational or encouraging quotes for YouTube content creators. And that way ChatGPT will create for you, and then you will just copy, guys, because that's what we do, guys. We just copy from ChatGPT and we will use the information. So now I'm going to create more to say the next one should be 25 tips for YouTube creators and content creators. So I can copy the same thing, create a list, and then paste there, and only change the part that I want to change. So I'm just going to say tips for this one, and after it will generate more. So now that we have all the encouraging and inspirational codes, and also tips for YouTube and content creators. Remember, it doesn't matter which niche you're dealing with, even if it's just food, even if it's just spirituality, even if it's just women, you can create anything you want. So you open Google Sheets, and then after opening Google Sheets, you go to your ChatGPT and copy those codes and tips and paste it on these sheets. And do remember to rename your sheet so that it doesn't confuse you. So now let me go back to my Google Sheet, and then now I'm going to rename the first sheet and call it maybe encouragement or inspiration. It doesn't matter, whatever you have searched, and then you just paste. And then the next thing you are going to rename, so this one is tips, and the next one is going to be inspirational. So I'm going to go back and copy there, and that way I'll copy the right information. So guys, remember, we're going to create 25 encouragement and inspiration codes, and as well as 25 tips, guys. And then from there you can just duplicate and make even more codes. So just make sure that you think on what you want to post, and then copy and paste on this Google Sheet. So the reason why we're pasting here is because Canva, which is the platform that we're going to use to create, we are going to copy from here. So you just click file, download, and then you download CSV, guys. So you do with the first sheet, which is the inspiration one, and then I'm going to do the second one, which is the tips. So you basically go to file, download, and then select CSV format, and then that way it will create those two files. So now if I go to my downloads, you see these are my two files with these content. Then I can open it to show you guys how it looks like. This is basically the lines with these codes, and I'm ready now to go to Canva, which is a free tool which you can use to create these codes, guys. So now we want to create these. You need to decide on what format. So I want Instagram post. So I'm just going to search Instagram codes, and then I'm just going to select whatever code I want to use. The templates are already given to us. You can design one by just clicking create new if you want, and I'm just going to select this one because I do not want to start from scratch. The work is done for me already. Why must I do? Remember, this is a lazy way of making money online. So when you get here, guys, you go to apps, and you go at the top, you just type create because you want to find bulk create. So now that it's opened, so you just have to upload your CSV and the one with codes. So you go and upload. So you upload, click open, and then once it's there, and then it will ask you to go and select the text that you want to change. So this is the text that I want to change for each and every line in that Excel, and then I select the first text just to show it what information to add. So I'm just going to select. So can you see on the left hand side, you can click continue. So now you can generate all 24 codes. So can you see, guys, I can just finish this video. We are done. All these codes are created, and all you do now, you can just select each and every one of these and select the background if you want something different, or you can just use the same template. But then you can select any background by just going to elements on the left hand side, and then you click share, and then you click download. So when you download, it will zip all these 24. So my advice is download these 24 and then create another template, and then create another template, and then you can even have 1,000 of these codes, guys. It's just so easy to do this, and using the same codes, and that way you will post these. And now remember, even with the posting, guys, you're going to schedule. So now let's go back and do Instagram reels. I did promise that we are also going to create videos of this sort, and I'm going to show you how to create different videos and then using the same method. So now we're going to do the tips one. So just select a template as well. So I'm just going to select this one, and it will open, and then I'll click edit. So now, and then customize the template, and which looks like this, guys. And then now we have this. So here at the bottom, it's given us a name. So instead of saying day one code, day two code, so I'm just going to type anything that I want. Dreams do come true, or maybe work hard, or maybe you are the best. So whatever general code word you can use there, you can use. So let's go back to apps again, create again, so that you can see create bulk, and then after we'll be able to select it, create bulk, and then upload your CSV with tips, and then that way you'll be able to select. So select the text and then connect your data, guys, and then after connecting your data, select the first one and then click generate. So now you are going to have 25 reels. So as you see, guys, you just schedule these on your Instagram, TikTok, even YouTube short, guys. You can do that because these are videos that are created for you. But then now, can you see that the videos, even though the text is different, make sure you align it nicely, but then the background is the same. So I'm going to show you what to do to make it different, and which is the easiest way to do it here instead of going and creating every reel one by one. So I'm going to show you that. So now what you do, let's just close this first. You go to elements and then you type video, and then you just decide what type of video you want. So if you want content creators, you can type there. If you want food, it will show you videos for food. If you want nature, you'll just type nature. So let's just start with content creation, and then we just look for any video, and then we'll just replace the second one with the video that we are choosing, guys. And then let's just place this proper so that the words, when they start playing, they do not close the information. So now I've changed the video. I've selected one with rain, and it is playing with green color. So you can change the color that you want, black, white, make it smaller, adjust it. So let's go to the next one and select another video. This is just to show you how you're going to do it in order to select different one. So now I'm just going to say content creators, and then can you see it's giving me different videos, and then all I do now, I just place it there to replace the current one. So can you see now the data is looking so nice. It looks like a different video. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and then it will play as well, guys. So let's just go and do another one so that you can see how it's done. So I'm going to show you with this one. I like this one. So can you see, if guys, I'm replacing. So now I have a video already. If you play it, can you see how it's going to look, and the video is moving? So this is how these people are creating a lot of these videos, and then they are scheduling. And do remember that the algorithm for Instagram, TikTok, or even Facebook, it just wants a videos. It doesn't matter what type of videos, and you can create this. And there's other ways to create these videos. And if you are going to take this series, please comment so I can create using Vidio and also CapCut as well, to show you even to add voices, because you can just also speak on these words, and then it will look so nice, guys, and people will love it. And then how do you make money? You basically add your affiliate links, you add your YouTube channel, you add, and the more people watch, and that's how you make money. So guys, can you see there's different ways to make money? Because people, imagine if million people watch this, and then you posted your affiliate link to do maybe with Binance or Octap PC or trading, or you selling a product, you can just do that as well, and then people will just click and buy your product. You're making money in multiple ways. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you understand, and do comment if you want me to do another video showing you how different ways to create these videos. Thank you so much for watching.